Today we're going to make a summer sausage. It's called Pearson's Ranch Fender Blend Roadside Summer Sausage. There's wild boar, buffalo, elk, deer, rabbit, beef, and alligator and pork in this. First I'm going to take a piece of bread, white bread, and start laying out the summer sausage on it. Then I'm going to lay the Swiss cheese on top of it. We're going to call this the Fender Blend Summer Sausage Swiss Melt. Now I'm going to put the top of it, white bread on there. Smash it down there really good. Wait. I'm going to put it over the hot coals so it can melt that cheese really nicely. First time I've ever done this like this. Well, come on. Come on. Good boy. Share a little bit of Swiss cheese and summer sausage with Waylon. Waylon. There you go. Looks like it's toasting nicely, but I forgot to do one thing. That's to put my smokehouse maple seasoning from McCormick's on it. Well, there you go. I'm going to use my saw to flip it. Get all that cheese on the bottom. Thought I'd be fancy and use that. What I'm going to end up doing, I think I'm going to take that saw away before I dump this. Got a little piece of bread, that's alright. I don't like bread too much anyways. There went a piece of freaking cheese. Okay. I just wanted to get the cheese on the bottom so it'll melt better. Well, finally got it finished. Slice it in half, see what it looks like here. I actually diagonal, get all fancy, you know. See in there? Got it nice and toasty also. Pretty cool. See how she tastes. Oh yeah. This is the way to go, man. Improvise with what you have, I guess.